How to check watch history on Twitter or X account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Twitter application. Now at the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Now go to settings and privacy. Now tap on your account. Now click on download an archive of your data. Now tap on request archive. So the zip file will include your watch history and other information such as information, account history, app and devices and many more. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.